Here we are, fam, down at the river. You guys know this river. You guys know this river. Me and Toby walk along this river all the time. We're gonna go out here on the ice and check it out. There's ice fishermen. I haven't fished here in decades. This is a boat ramp right here. Come on, Toby. We'll go out and see the people. I haven't stepped on this ice in 15 years. It's been 15 years since I've been on this river, I'm thinking. People everywhere. Any luck? Not yet? Small ones? No keepers? Which side? Which side of the river?
This side.
This side? Okay. Take it easy. How's it going? Come on, Papa. Look at all the people in their shanties. Little houses. Little houses. You gotta watch where you walk too, so you don't step in somebody's hole. Little houses. I used to have a shanty. Well, I got one. It's at the house. But it's rotted away. It hasn't been used in 15 years probably. Look at this river. Look where we're walking, fam. Look where we're at. Look, that guy's got a heater. See the heater tank? I've got that. I've got the little heater with the tank and all that. Look at this dog. Making a snow angel. I bet he can't believe he's on this river. He found something he wants on his skin, so come on, goofball. Let's go talk to people. Look at all the people. Fam, you know we're right in the middle of this river. You've seen us on the sides looking across. There's our bridge. There's City Hall and all the parks that we've been walking past for all this time. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on, Toby. Toby, come on. Toby keeps rolling on the ice, on the fish smell, where people had fish on the ice. Let's go talk to this guy. He's the only one out. Look at all the people. You can't even see the people because they're in their little huts. We'll go talk to this guy. He's putting his stuff away. Look, this is, you can see, you cut the holes in the ice, you drill the holes in the ice and you sit on top of it. This guy here was sitting on top of the ice. Whoa, can you hear it? Come on. Look at Toby getting a drink. Okay, come on. Come here, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Come on. How's it going? Did we catch today? No? Have you been out much this year? How long has the river been froze, like, for people to walk on? I'm filming for my YouTube channel. That's quite a sled there.
Yesterday over at the ship over there, we were on 10 inches of ice over here and we were catching, we caught 10.
Keepers?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You know what you did?
Over here by the boat?
Nope.
Oh, no, the destroyer.
Yep.
Okay.
Sure.
You got a minute? So tell me can you tell us what's in your set here?
That's my auger and lure right here.
This is the auger. What size is that? Is that 10 inch, 9 inch?
10 inch.
That's what drills the holes, folks. Here's the little fishing poles we use. Minnow bucket, heater, and this little house that flips up, and there's room for 3 people there. Looks like pretty cool. We'll go look. We'll see where he was set up. Thanks. How deep is the ice here? You said 10 inches already?
10 inches.
Wow. Come on, Bubba. Come on, Bubba. No, leave it. Leave it. This was where he had that set up at. You can see the outline of the rig. Come on, Toby, stay back. And there's the holes he drilled, and he was sitting in between them. He was sitting in the middle of them and working his poles. Pretty cool, huh? I kept telling all my friends that I'll never come on this river again because I've seen it crack up. But here we are for content. Think about it. What you do for content. I keep hearing the ice cracking too. But it's 10 inches thick. You could drive a car on here. You could drive a pickup, one of those big heavy-duty pickup trucks, a lorry. Isn't this cool, fam? Isn't this cool? I was hoping we'd get to see some fish. Look at Toby dogs. I was hoping we'd get to see some fish. Maybe next time. Maybe we can get out here. Not this weekend, but the next weekend. This weekend I gotta work. But maybe the next weekend I can come out. After Wednesday. Maybe Wednesday night or Thursday. Thursday evening I can get out here. We'll have to wait and see. Pretty slick, fam. Pretty slick. What do you think of that? Okay, Toby. Let's go. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. I'm surprised there's no snowmobiles going by. Usually there's snowmobiles or motorcycles going by. People like to ride on this. On the river like this. They get to really moving too. You see them streaking by 40, 50 miles an hour. Toby, you did it again, Toby. Come here. Toby's eating everybody's minnows. Whoops. Whoops, crazy camera. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Come on, Toby. Crazy. Isn't this wild? It's just too wild. Look, you can see where the ice was broke up and refroze together. See the different colors of the ice? You got this milky white ice here, and then you got this clear ice here. That's where it was broke up. The ice was broke up and it came back together and froze. Look at the cracks. See the crack? The ice is 10 inches deep. It's not going to do anything. If I can get wrapped around this dog one more time. Stop wrapping around it, bub. There we go. Watching the traffic from the ice. Usually you only get this view from a boat, but here we are. Here we are. The Tidal Pro 360. Let's go, Toby. We've been out here long enough. Toby's really interested in walking out here. I bet you if I let him off the leash, he wouldn't stick around. He'd probably be running. Oh, look, there's another dog over there. That dog over there is off leash. This is what it looks like. The frozen water looks like close to the edge. It's probably thicker at the sides. Toby, wait, Toby. One last scan there. Isn't that cool? This coming weekend, there'll be hundreds of people out here. You'll see 100 of these shanties out here this weekend when people don't have to be at work. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed another trip from Tidal Pro. Toby's giving me the hard time. All right. What makes the camera turn around? we'll catch you later, fam. You see, we got our big parka on today. Fun, fun, fun. Gotta stay warm out here. It's 12 degrees out. That's 20 degrees below freezing. Title Pro, Toby Dog are out.